Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I will say tutorial how to make money using affiliate marketing and what are the best products or programs to join and start my affiliate career. Okay, so without that, let's get started. Okay guys, this is my website. This is a website about entrepreneurship and financial freedom. There is a blog and there's some tools which can help you a lot. If you can see, these are, if you need, you can check out, the link is under the description. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, first I will say what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is nothing but selecting a product and joining into the affiliate program and promoting it. If anyone get brought the product or made a sign up on that site using your link, you get some commission. Okay, this is the affiliate marketing. So how to start affiliate marketing? To start affiliate marketing, you need to join the affiliate marketing programs and promote it. Now I will show you some of the best affiliate programs to join. Okay, the number one is Bluehost. Okay guys, if you see Bluehost affiliate program, refer visitors to Bluehost and earn $65 for each qualified user. Okay, if you can see that, if anyone buys the Bluehost for anything like 1 month or 1 year, you get $65 for each qualified sign up. Just qualified sign up, you get $65. If you make 10 sign ups for a month, you earn $650 using this Bluehost. Just click on sign up and you can join. And the number two is Ato Hosting. If you can see Ato Hosting affiliate program, the link is under description. Earn up to $125 per new customer. If you can see $125, if you refer 10 members, you earn $1,250. If you can see secondary commission called $5 per new customer. That means if you refer a affiliator sub referral, you earn $5 per new customer. Okay, just sign up and you can earn. If you can see, first 1 to 10 sales you get $55 per sale, and 11 to 15 sales $75, and 16 to 20 $100. Like this you can earn using this. Okay, if you can see, if you refer 10 members to this, you can earn $1,250. Okay, at the last of the video I will show you how much you can earn with these products which I showed per monthly. Okay, then number 3 is GetResponse. GetResponse is a good thing. Okay, now I will go to the affiliate program. This is email marketing one, and it is a very good thing, and get paid when your clients to response. Now I will show you GetResponse. If you can see, affiliate bounty program, $100 for every sale referred, or 33% recurring commission for every sale referred. This is the one of the best. You can select any of them. If you select this affiliate bounty program and refer 10 members to it, you earn $1,000. Okay guys, these are the 3 programs you need to join and you need to promote, whatever it is. Okay, join and promote them. Now I will show you how you can promote this, and I will show you 3 ways to promote them. Okay guys, the first way to promote your links is Quora. How you can promote your links with Quora. Okay, now we have been chosen 3 products, 2 hosting products and 1 email marketing products. Now I will show you how you can promote them. First, go to Quora and search for best hosting service. Okay, now search for it. If you can see, there are many results. If you can see, these are the many results. Select every question. Okay, select one of the question, and now I will show you the best thing. Select this question. If I selected this question, if you can see that it is 791 follow, it has 791 follows. That means if you answer to this question, your answer will notify to the 791 people who are following this question. That means 791 people can see your answer, and if they are interested in, they click on link and you get, if he buys, you get commission. Okay, answer to the questions which has high follow, like 50 plus. If the questions have 50 plus follow, try to answer them only. Just you can answer this all, just answer daily 5. daily 5 different questions about your service. Okay, and mention the affiliate link at the end. Okay, this is the first way. And okay guys, the second way is findaforum.net. How can this findaforum.net will help you? If you can see, this is a place where you find the forums about your needs. Okay, first come to this site and search for your category. My category is web, my category is digital marketing. Okay, digital affiliate marketing. I enter affiliate marketing and enter. There are 72 search results for this affiliate marketing search. Okay, if you can see, this is Apollorimia /1 affiliate marketing forum with over 9,30,000 members, and that actually discuss all the aspects of affiliate marketing. Just check all these and join 3 to 5 forums, and first try to make a strength in this. Okay, in this, if you can see Apollorimia website, if you can see this, it is a forum. You can just log in and you can proceed with these things. Okay, if you can see paper technique, there are many topics they have been discussing. Just try to answer them. If you can see 280 topics, 2210 posters, if you can see, and there are the high fans and high followers and high subscribers in the feed. Okay, forum feed. Okay, now just join this kind of forums like 3 to 5 and make discussions and give your affiliate links. First build your profile, a strengthy profile, and first 5 to 10 posters in Quora or in these forums. Try not to give any links. If you want, you can give the links in Quora, but in these affiliate forums, don't give the affiliate link in first posters. First build the strength and the trust in this forum, and then you can give the links. Okay, there are many and the many affiliate marketing forums. You can join them and you can promote them using this thing. And the third one is, before going to the third one, please check out my website Sri-entrepreneur.com. the link is under description. You get a blog with the latest guides and tips and free tools which help you a lot. And join our weekly membership and try to win the giveaways like web hosting and domain giveaways. And the third way is sites.google.com. How you can promote your affiliate marketing with this sites.google.com. If you can see, in some search terms, the sites.google.com domain are the, if you can see, I have been created this top 3 best web hosting services. I will open it now and I will show you the exact way how you can do this. If you can see, I have been created this title and I have been created this image, and this is my affiliate link. If you can see, I have been pasted some plans and I have been doing something, and I have been wrote this thing. Okay, this everything, and just publish. Just click on publish and you can publish the article without spending a rupee, and you don't need anything. If you can see, this is my link. If I open it, this is my link. Okay, if you can see, there is sites.google.com. google.com is a top level domain which is very powerful domain. If this google.com domain is in your URL of the post, your post will be top on the SEO page or top about this keyword in Google. Okay, try to maintain some SEO in your post, then your article will rank on the Google number 1. I wrote this article. I have been mentioned my affiliate link. If you can see, these are all our affiliate links. Okay, as per I will show, these are all the affiliate links. Write a good article about this like this. Write an article about this like this, and you can promote it. Not just promote, try to make articles, different kind of articles about this, just per day, too, describing about your needs and products which you have been selected. These will automatically rank because of google.com domain. It is very powerful domain, so your article will rank on the Google rank number 1 and the top list. Okay, this is the third way. If you can see, You can promote with Quora, and you can promote with Find a Forum forums, and with sites.google.com. All these are free ways. As per my income, now I will show you. I will just open calculator, and I will show you how much you can earn if you get 10 particular sales for each of the product. Okay, just 10. I will show you just 10. Okay, now I will show you. First of all, if you refer 10 people to the Bluehost, you earn $650. If you refer 10 people to the A2 hosting, you earn $1250. And if you refer 10 people to the Get Response, you earn $1,000. The total is $2,900 you can earn per month using these free sources to get traffic: Quora, Find a Forums, and the Google sites. My recommendation is Google sites and sites.google.com. Make hard work. Try 2 to 3 hours per day. You can earn 2,900 rupees, $2,900 exactly, and you can earn more than these numbers. You can double these numbers as per your work. Okay, by this way you can earn $2,900 per month, you simply sitting at the home. This is the passive income, and this is the video about affiliate marketing and the best products and how to promote them. If you like the video, please click on subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to check out my website. Okay, thank you.